Windows and doors here at Dayside are our passion. I'm passionate about this business and Dayside as a whole, probably because it's a vital part of anyone's home, and I really love what I do.
So as customers, when they're dealing with Dayside, one thing they can know is that they're going to get a quality product. You're going to be dealing with a team that is really well-knowledged to be able to get the job done right.
Quality is everything. It has to be. This is a custom business. So from the raw material that we get in, we inspect, to the process of cutting, to the welding, to the manufacturing of it, the actual assembly, even to cleaning. Every single step is done very carefully.
One of the biggest advantages that we have is we actually manufacture on-site the product that we sell.
We're a Canadian company and very proud of that, especially these days. It seems a lot of things come overseas, and our windows and doors we can proudly stand behind to say that they're made here in Ontario.
We don't only rely on our machinery, but we heavily rely on our staff, our people. We're not just made up of individuals, we're a team, we're actually a family.
Teamwork is super important to us, always has been, always will be, ever since I started here. And it's always been the way Dayside's run, and it's always going to be the way Dayside's run.
So personally for myself, I grew up in the company installing windows and doors. I like to see the finished product. I like to see the smile on the customer's face once they see their investment come to fruition.
It's interesting to think that the work we do is part of somebody else's life, so we love being a part of a homeowner's story. It's a great feeling.